Hello viewers, welcome back to Globe Investment. In this channel you'll be getting free trade calls, and in this video I'm going to give you buy calls. So before going to buy calls, we'll discuss regarding the previous trading calls whose targets got achieved. And before that, I would like to welcome all the new members who are new to this channel. I would like to give a brief introduction about the channel. This is an Excel sheet where you will be having the record of all the trading calls which I have given till now. So in this you will be able to find the date on which I have given the buy call and the stock name, the time frame, the buying price, and the targets on which this the day and the days on which these targets got achieved, and also with the percentage return which we will be getting based upon my trading call, friends. That means what you can do is, since like it's a free trading call, so I'm being given, so obviously everyone will be having a doubt that since we are keeping our own money or like precious money which we have earned, so we can't just simply put off the money based upon one single person's advice, right? So you can please check my previous track record and all the records. In this Excel sheet you'll be finding the record of all the trading calls which I have given till now. So you can go to your respective trading platform and you can check. Suppose if you can take any of the stock which is mentioned here. Firstly I would like to say the color coding which is mentioned, like what are these color codings and all. You can see this green color highlighted ones with all yellow in this whole line. That means that if you take this particular stock, this Tata Coffee, I have given the buy on 23rd with a time frame of 4 to 5 minutes and the third target of 154. This stock achieved all the three targets which I have given here, that is the 154 within the time frame which I have mentioned here, that is 4 to 5 months, and giving us a percentage return of 28.33. Now what you can do is you can go to your respective trading platform and you can see what was the price on 23rd, okay, and whether you can also check whether on 10th or 5th month whether it achieved this third target of 154 or not. And also you can see, you can verify this percentage return. I would like all to see, I will also say the formula how I'm calculating this percentage of return. That is like you need to just subtract the 154 minus 120 by 120 into 100. You'll be getting the percentage returns. And I would like to remind that you should only be counting the market working days, not the non-market working days. With that time frame you can get whether the particular stock has achieved the target within time frame I have mentioned here or not. So I will also firstly discuss, as I told, I'll be discussing regarding the previous trading calls whose targets got achieved. So I'll discuss the recently achieved targets, not the very old ones. And as I told, I'll be saying the color coding ones, and there will be very few stocks. There will be very few stocks which are mentioned in this red color one. Now what are those means? So if you can take this PNB Housing Finance stock, I have given the buy call on 27th with a time frame of 10 to 15 days with a third target of 403. So why I have mentioned this one in red color, like highlight the whole line in yellow, means that means that this particular stock has achieved all the three targets which I have given here and the final target of 403.2. So this target has been achieved, this third target of 403, after the time frame which I mentioned here. That means it hasn't got achieved within the time frame, but after crossing the time frame, after a few days of the time frame which I mentioned here. That's why it's there in red color ones. See, like as you all know, those who are doing the share market, if someone is new, I will also like to say that no one in this world can give 100% of accuracy. Okay, no one can give the 100% of accuracy. Even if you go for 60,000 or 1 lakh rupees paid service also, you can even verify them that no one is going to give you 100% of accuracy. But I can say that my trading calls, it will be of like 80 to 90% of accuracy. The rate will be there. See, all the trading calls which I have given here, okay, in my platform, if it crosses the time frame also which I have mentioned here, but surely one day it's going to achieve after the time frame, after the few days of time frame which I mentioned here, it will be achieving the targets, all the three targets I have given. That's why what I'll be saying in each and every video is, safe traders, please book their profit in either in first target or in the second target after achieving this T1 or T2 target itself. Because in order to achieve the T3 target, it will take a bit more time since it needs to go to higher level, right? I think you're getting my point. So as I told, I'll also be giving for cryptocurrencies. Yeah, in this channel you'll also be getting the buy calls for cryptocurrencies too. It will be mentioned in this orange color one stock. Okay, so we'll first see today's previous whose targets got achieved. The first one is GOLCP Corp stock. Now we'll see where is this stock first. So if you can see here, this stock is here. Yes, I have given the buy call for this one on 4th of this month with a time frame of 3 months with a buying price of 274 with a third target of 295, and we have achieved this third target within 2 days itself, friends. Okay, and we are getting a percentage return of 7.66 percentage. That means the person who invested 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, like 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, they'll be getting this much of profit, friends. Okay, this is the profit amount which they'll be getting based upon my trading calls. Okay, now I'll show the same in the market platform also. So this is the GOCL Corp stock. We'll see the third target, as I told, it achieved on 6th of this month with it, and the price was 295, right? We'll see the same. So if in this is a down, in this down you're going to find the date. So as I told, on 6th, right? Yes, so this is the 6th. Yes, if you can see here on 6th, the right side of the chart, you can see the 294. 1 minute. Yes, it achieved 295. It crossed the 295 point mark on 6th. So the target which I given was 295. Touched the third target of 295.1. It went. Okay, so that means it crossed the target which I have given, friends. So like those who have booked the profit on that price, they'll be getting this much of percentage returns. And the next one will be the Naukri stock, and we have achieved this target in 12 days. We are getting a percentage return of 14.55%, friends. That means the person who invested like this much of amounts, they'll be getting this much of returns, friends. Okay, now we'll see where I have given the Naukri. Yeah, here it is. So friends, if you can see here, I have given the buy call for this Naukri, or it's also called as InfoEdge. Both are same, friends, so don't get confused. In some platforms it will be mentioned as Naukri, and in some platforms it will be mentioned as InfoEdge. So I have given the buy call for this stock on 17th of last month with a time frame of 1 month, the buying price of 4,900 and the third target of 5,613, friends. And we have achieved this target on 5th of this month, giving us a percentage return of 14.55. Now we'll verify the same in the market platform. So Naukri, so as I told, see, it's like symbol Naukri and it will be in InfoEdge also. The both are same. So when we have achieved the target, we have achieved on 5th of this month, right? So we'll see the 5th of this month. So yes, so if you can see here on 5th, I'll just zoom it a bit. Yes, on 5th of this month, it went till 5,626 and my third target was 5,613. So those who have booked the profit on that 5,613, they'll be getting this much of returns, friends. And the next one would be Timken India stock. So we'll see where it have. Okay, that means the Timken, I have given the buy call for this stock on 28th of last month with a time frame of 15 to 20 days, the buying price of 1500 and the third target was 1600, friends. And we have achieved this third target on 7th of this month with a percentage return of 6.66%. So the person who invests this much of amounts, they'll be getting this much of profit, friends. And we have achieved this target within 7 days itself, friends. Now I'll show the same in the market platform. It's Timken India stock, right? So what was our third target here? Wait a minute. So the third target was 1600 and we achieved on 7th. So we'll see the same here. So on 7th, as I told, the third target which got closed, and here it is. So 1665, friends. It went till 1665. And the third target was 1600. It crossed the third target which I have given and it went a lot high. So those who have booked profit at this price, they'll be getting 6.66% of return, friends. And the next one would be Zensar Technology stock. We have achieved the target within 19 days itself, friends, and we are getting a return of 14.55%, friends. That means the person who invested this much of amount, they'll be getting a profit of this much of rupees, friends. See, you can see the person who invested 2 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 29,100 rupees within 19 days itself, friends. It's one of the jackpot stocks since we are getting a return of 14.55. So Zensar Technologies. Oh, sorry. Sorry, friends. I made it like, I forgot to just copy and paste there. I did wrong calculation here. Sorry, we haven't achieved. This is a 14.55 is of Naukri, friends. It's not of Zensar. For Zensar Technologies, the percentage return which we got is 10.28. Like I have given the buy call for the stock on 11th of last month with a time frame of 20 to 25 days with a buying price of 311 and a third target of 343. That means the person who bought the stock of 311 at the price which I have told and sold this one at 343, and we achieved this target on 8th of this month. they'll be getting a return of 10.28%, friends. Sorry for the wrong calculation. I just forgot to like change the percentage here when I'm copying from here. So you just ignore this one. 10 point means you'll be getting around, see, like this is also 10.9, no? So it will be around this much range, like this much of price you'll be getting returns. As I've already told the formula, you can verify those in your respective trading platforms. And then, so firstly, we'll also see in the platform also Zensar Technologies, right? Yes, Zensar Technologies. So as I told, the third target is of Zensar Technologies 343, and we achieved on 8th, right? We'll see the same here. So on 8th, it went till yes, 343.1 minute. I'll just stop it here. 343.25, friends. You can see on the right side of the chart, the black color ones. 343.25. On 8th, it has went. So here we have checked the Zensar also, and the next one is Tata Communications. We achieved the target in 16 days, friends. That means and with a percentage return of 10.90%. That means the person who invests this much of amount, they'll be getting in this much of profit, friends. We'll see the Tata Communications. So this is the Tata Communications stock. As we have given the buy call for the stock on 11th of this month, last month, sorry, with a time frame of 20 to 25 days, with a buying price of 1250, with a third target of 1386.9, and we achieved this one on 5th of this month, giving us a percentage return of 10.90%, friends. Now I'll show the same in the market platform. We'll verify that one. Tata Communications. Tata Communications. So what was the third price? That is 1386.9, and on 5th we achieved this one. So we'll see the same. Yes. So on 5th it went till, yes, 1387, friends. It crossed the third target which I have given, that is 1318.6.9. It went till 1387. Okay, this one is also verified. And the next one is sorry, I have just repeated here. By here in this video, like all the, like I have mentioned, as I told, we just now verified that all the stocks which have achieved all the 3 targets, friends, that in the recent time. And also there are few stocks whose 3 targets haven't achieved, but still the 2 targets got achieved, like T2 or T1 they have achieved. Among them, the first one is NLC India. So I have given the buy call for the stock on 4th of this month with a time frame of 3 to 6 months, with a buying price of 205, with a T2 of 236, friends. So it achieved the T2 of 236 on 8th of this month. I'll show the same here. NCL India, right? So direct typing NCL India, sorry, NCL Industries, not India. As I told, it achieved on 8th of this month, so it would be here around. So you can see here on 8th of this month it went till 236, and that is it crossed, yeah, it achieved exactly, it went till 236 of my second target. And the next one is Kaveri Seeds. This also have given the buy call on 4th of this month with a time frame of 10 to 15 days, with a T2 of 780, friends. Now you can please verify in your trading platforms. Okay, as I have shown how to just verify now, you can go on that particular date and you can see whether it achieved this target or not. And also the few other stocks like wait a minute, I'll just check whether I miss anything or not. I'll just see here. Yes, Exide Industries. This is long back. This is not of recent ones. Wait, let's see any recent ones. I think the recent ones got over. That's it in this video. Yes. Okay, fine. So I hope you got like now you'll be able to understand, like by now you should be getting the accuracy and the like fairness of the trading calls I'm giving here. So if you like the video, like please like, subscribe and share to those whom you want to get profits like you, friends. Okay, now we'll go to today's buy calls. As I told, I'll be giving few buy calls in this video. Among them, the first one is Excel Industries with a time frame of 1 month. The buying price is 1180 with a T1 of 1285, T2 of 1307, T3 of 1320, friends. And the next one is RITES stock with a time frame of 20 to 25 days with a buying price of 282, the T1 of 296, T2 of 301, T3 of 304. And the next one is UBL stock with a time frame of 1 month with a buying price of 1409, T1 of 1463, T2 of 1484, T3 of 1497. So now I'll discuss regarding like why I'm giving the trading, like the buy call for these stocks. Now I'll show the technical analysis of these stocks which I have mentioned here. Among them, the first one would be this UBL stock. So friends, if you can see here, and I would like to mention that these technical analysis, those people can only those can understand who have some knowledge regarding the technical charts and all. So friends, those who does not have knowledge regarding these analysis which I'm going to mention now, which I'm going to discuss now, they can please don't mind anything. They just don't need to worry, because it's for those whom they are having some knowledge regarding the technical analysis and charts. So if you can see the vertex here, the green color line is above the red color line. This gives one buy signal, and the RSI, it should be above 60. It is 67.76, and the MACD, the black color line, is above the red color line. This gives one more buy signal, and the ADX, it's, if you can see, there's a slight upward direction trend is going on, and also the Bollinger Bands got expanded, and the candles are near the upper band, and the dark color blue line is above the red color line, one more buy signal, and the sky blue color line is also above the red color line, one more buy signal. And the super trend, it's in green color, and the candles are above the cloud. And if you see the Ichimoku, we need to see the three conditions, and the gray color line is also above the candles. So overall, we are getting more than 5 to 6 buy signals, friends. So this is a perfect buy call stock, friends. And the next one is RITES stock. So for this also, if you can see, the vertex, the green color line, is above the red color line, and the MACD, sorry, the RSI, it is above 60, that is 67.86. The MACD, the black color line, is above the red color line. The Bollinger Bands got expanded, and the candles are also near the upper band. And if you can see, the dark color blue line is above the black color line, and the sky blue color line is not above the red color line, so we'll cancel that one. And if you can see, the candles are above the cloud, and the super trend, it's in green color. And next we need to see the gray color line. Yes, so you can see the gray color line is also above the candles. Overall, for this also, we are getting more than 5 to 6 buy signals, friends. So this is also a perfect buy call stock, friends. And the next one would be the Excel index stock. So for this also, if you can see here, the vertex, the green color line, is above the red color line, and the RSI, it is above 60, that is 70.61. And the MACD, the black color line, is above the red color line, and the Bollinger Bands got expanded, and the candles are also near the upper band. The black color line, the dark color blue line, is above the black line, and the sky blue color line is above the red color line. The super trend, it's in green color, and the candles are above the cloud, and the gray color line, which is here, it's also above the candles, friends. Here also we are getting more than 5 to 6 buy signals, friends. So this is also a perfect buy call stock, friends. Okay, as I told, please don't mind those like discussion which I have given here. Like those who does not have the knowledge regarding those, they can just simply follow the trading calls which I have given here. And as I told, so I have already discussed in the beginning of the video, like the proof like of the previous trading calls I have given whose targets got achieved. So by now you'd all be getting the accuracy, like you can identify the accuracy and the fairness of the trading calls I have mentioned here. So finally, it's up to you, friends, whether you want to follow my trading calls or not. If you are going to follow, obviously you'll be getting profits, which I am mentioning here. And please, one more warning which I am giving. So don't be greedy. So whenever the targets get achieved based on your risk taking capacity, so I'll be saying for safe traders, please book their profits within T1 or T2 itself. And those who can take a bit more risk and you can wait for a bit more time, they can please wait till the T3 also. Okay. And yeah, one important thing which I forgot is, which I need to say in the beginning of the video, please forgive me. Please, while you're watching this video, if you're watching this video in the mobile, please watch in the landscape mode. Don't see in the portrait mode, because if you're seeing this one in the portrait mode, these values and all, you may not be able to see it clearly. Okay. And also the buy calls which I have given, and each and every time when I'm giving the buy call, so like see, I'll be giving n number of stocks here, right? So I'll be giving for long term, for like if you can see here, there are some stocks which are given for long term for 3 to 6 months, like, and these are for short term like 15 to 20 days, and mid term is 3 months target. Okay, so it's like for all, like it diversified for all. It's not only for short term traders or long term traders or only for mid term traders. I'll be giving for all the members. And each and every time when I'm giving the buy call, see, today I have given the buy call for 3 stocks, right? Like regarding these stocks, you'll be like finding like what company is this, like what business they are doing in our country, each and everything, you'll like the details in a very crisp manner you can find in the description box. Okay, Okay, so before investing in any company or any stock, you should be knowing like what that company is. It's a basic thing. Thank you, bye bye, and meet you all in next upcoming videos, friends.